How to fix Shopee unsupported address. If you still face this problem again and again, then this video I will show you a step-by-step guide that how you can fix this issue. First of all, you have to add a product and you have to go to the checkout, and here in the checkout just click on checkout here, and on the top bar you will see your delivery address. If you haven't added any of the delivery address till now, then you will get a notification in the between of your phone or in the website to add a delivery address. Make sure you add a very valid delivery address, then you will not face this issue. To add an address, just click on edit or click on new address. And here you have to enter your full name, your phone number, which is a valid and active phone number, your region. So basically you can't add, you have to select. You can always select use my current location, but if you're facing a problem, you can always select your region, then your province, and here comes my city. So after adding it everything, here this is, and I will select this one. Here you have to add your postal code, which is active, and where you want your product to get delivered, and the street name and your building and house name, everything, right? And just make sure this is a workplace or home place. If you just want you get delivery in your office, then select your work, or if you want it in your home, then you can select your home. After that, you can click on submit. So after submitting, everything will get verified here, and it will show if get activated or they approve your delivery address, which will get instantly. Then you can just place your order and you will not find any problem and you will not face any single issue in this matter. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.